welcome to Pay the Poolman. Today we're going to walk through how to add a repair stop as a technician. Maybe you're a route manager, maybe you have extended permissions, maybe you're an owner. Here's how you add a repair stop from the Plus app. So we're going to click on Log Repair and then the green plus in the corner. And then we select the customer who needs the repair. We can search them, we can scroll through our list. We'll select the employee, whether it's us or someone else. We can select if we want a text reminder, if the repair needs to send a completion notice, or if we have any notes to add to this customer. Then we can select the time and date. This can be whatever you'd like, and you can submit from there. And we'll go back and sync our app and see that repair stop upload here. And that's how you would add a repair stop. Now this was for a different technician, so we won't see our screen update, but if it was yours, you'd see your screen update and you can complete that repair from there. Now remember that if you already have a repair scheduled, if you reschedule it, you're creating two. So keep that in mind. If you have any questions or see something funky, please let us know. We'd be happy to help. Okay, thank you.